Here's Away in a Manger by Katherine Jenkins, featuring Coro, Sally Herbert, on Amazon Music.
And this is day 23rd of Christmas songs, the day 23rd of September. Away in a manger, no grave for a bed, the little Lord Jesus laid down his sweet head. The stars in the bright sky looked down where he lay. The little Lord Jesus asleep on the hay. The cattle are lowing, the baby awakes, the little Lord Jesus no crying he makes. I love thee, Lord Jesus. Look down from the sky and stay by my side till the morning is night. Lead me, Lord Jesus, I ask thee to stay close by me forever and love me, I pray. Bless all the dear children in thy tender care, and feed us from heaven to live with thee there. So, that was Away in a Manger by Katherine Jenkins, and that was day 23rd of Christmas songs, 23rd of December. So, see you in my next one. Thank you. So, thank you, and yeah, that was, as I said, Away in a Manger, day 23rd of Christmas songs, 23rd of December. See you in my next one.